What's up, Fitter Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today is the day for the Nissan times Infiniti meet hosted by Fitter Squad. Now, I want to set the record straight. I don't only like Nissans and Infinitis. It's just that's the community that I'm really feel like embraced me a lot, and that's who I'm rocking with a lot. It was mostly Altimas at first, then Maximas and Sentras. It kept going. But it's Nissan Infiniti that I'm rocking with right now. But I had a lot of people hitting me up asking, can they come out? And yeah, everybody's welcome to come out. So for the next meet, it's not going to be a Nissan times Infiniti meet. Most likely it's just going to be a Fitter Squad meet. That way we won't have to have those questions. Anybody can just come up, show out, park up with us, and that'll be the thing. Now, we do have a couple people in Fitter Squad who don't have Nissan or Infiniti. So we'll be showing them. Hopefully, I know at least one of them is coming today. The other one, he might make it. He has to work, but we'll see. We also have an exclusive shirt that's dropping at the meet today. Well, it was going to be exclusive, but I've already had a bunch of people hit me up about it, so that may be going up on the website. So if you're interested, definitely let me know. I'll go ahead and put it on. Actually, I'll show it when we get to the meet and it gets set up. But for what I'm wearing, Fitter Squad jersey, let me know if you guys will be interested in having your own custom Fitter Squad jersey. And it sounds like the car just stopped because it's been out here too long. So yeah, we gotta make sure the car is nice and cool. But yeah, I don't want to hold up too much. My wife will be there with me, helping me sell some merch as well. She's about to come downstairs now, but let's go ahead and head on over to the meet. Alright, so we at the meet, and we got a bunch of the homies here, and a bunch of people I don't know that I'm meeting now, which is always cool, I guess. Got Gavin out here. First time y'all get to see him bagged. And he is Fitter Squad, so I know he got the Honda out, but he clean. But yeah, we got people new in town. It's Altima and this homie. Definitely appreciate them coming out. These two came 3 hours to get here, so it's definitely appreciated. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. Homie been trying to meet for a long time. Came from Tampa here. Now we just there was a 350Z and a Datsun that I missed. I didn't get to record. I have a clip. I might throw it in here, but it's probably gonna look a little crazy. Latin snaps here, work in progress. So, like I was saying, you don't have to have the Altima to come out, or the Nissan or Infiniti. We got all kinds of homies. Division 7's out here setting up. We got a few things down here. I'm gonna go ahead and show the shirts in a second. But yeah, and we just getting started. Oh, and well, let's go see who just pulled up. Now, I've seen this online a few times. What's up? Thanks for coming out. Hey, homie, speak Gamba. Gamba, what's up?
I'm here.
Appreciate you.
Hot. I had to take a quick break from.
That's dope. He on break for work and he decided to come by. That's love right there. Definitely make sure you guys subscribe to his channel too. The link will be in the description below. He got the star headliner too. Dope. Such a clean Max. And here are the shirts. Alright, he's heading out. It's dope. We got people showing up. 2 YouTubers over there chopping it up. I'm gonna go show his Maxima in a second. There you go. They clean. So, got another one of the homies with the YouTube channel showing up. I got him on my phone, I believe. I don't think I got him when he came in on this camera. So let's go ahead and take a look. Got quite a few people who came and left already. Got a bunch who are still on the way. So it's a decent turnout. But yeah, here we go. Make sure you follow the homie. I'll throw a link in the description as well. So make sure you check him out. Oh, he got the YouTube ride along. Alright, so we got the YouTubers lined up. Definitely make sure you follow everybody. Only Infiniti here. Oh, never mind. 2 Infinitis. Like I said, make sure you follow the homies. Okay. Have a good one. The Loud Squad. Look who showed up. United is one crew. Hello, hello. How's it going? That's clean. That 300 ZX. Alright. Got clean with the Infiniti wheels on it. It's very dope. Definitely let me know which one was your favorite that you've seen. Your favorite Ultima, favorite Maxima, favorite overall. Just let me know. Still got people showing up. We got a lot of who left too. But it's definitely dope.
Is the V6, right?
There.
Nah.
Look who showed up. Yes, sir.
Put Red Bull in the tank. This just got wings.
There we go. Almost didn't get it.
I'm late.
We about to leave. You talking about I'm late?
I was all the way in Melbourne, bro.
Sheesh. Coming soon, coming soon. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. As you can see, everybody is basically gone. So it was definitely dope. Pretty good turnout. Sorry about the lighting. Alright, yeah, it was pretty good turnout. We had a lot of people come, leave, come back, and overall it was pretty good. We'll definitely be doing more meets. Let me know if you guys want another Nissan Times Infiniti, or if you want an Ultima, or you want a Maxima meet. I think the next one is going to be Fitter Squad meet, but we'll definitely go ahead and do that. But yeah, make sure you guys hit up the links in the description. We got the homies posted. We got the links for the parts on the cars. We got links for the merch. Yeah, would like to thank you all for tuning in. Thank you to everybody who came out and everybody who was interested and couldn't make it. Thanks for all the support. And as always, stay fitted. Peace.